If you're tired of having dull knives and are looking for an electric knife sharpener, then consider picking up the Presto Eversharp electric knife sharpener. Today we're going to be unboxing this product to see if this is something that you may be interested in picking up. One of the reasons why I purchased this item is because many of my knives are super dull, and I really wanted to have something that would allow me to be able to sharpen the knives and not have to worry about not only cutting myself but also ensuring that the serration of the knives were quite sharp. This particular product has a two-stage process which really easily and quickly sharpens mostly any non-serrated blades. So if your blade has serration, this is not the product for you. Now this allows you to be able to sharpen all your knives without really having to do a lot of work. All you need to do is, once you've actually taken this product out of the box, as you can see it's nicely secured, is really just being able to plug this in. Let's take a look at this together to see how this actually works in the event you were thinking about sharpening your knives. This is a great product to be able to use and have in your kitchen or give as a gift in case you know someone that has knives that are relatively dull. Now, what I like about this particular product is the fact that it has a two-stage process, which ensures that not only is it getting the knives sharp, but it also is ensuring that it gives you a nice shine to ensure that you have the proper ability to use the knives and sharpen the knives the way you need to have them to be able to use them effectively. Now, once you plug these in, one thing to note is that the bottom of this product actually has some suctions to ensure that it actually stays on your countertop, so you can be able to actually wet the bottom to make sure that the suctions stay. As you can see here, these are the suctions that I was referring to, so that way it doesn't move when you are sharpening the knives. On the left hand side, and you can see there's the numbers here, this is the first stage, and then on the right hand side is the second stage. So all you're really needing to do is take your knives, glide it through each of the first and second stages, and you can see each stage has two abilities to sharpen it. It doesn't take a lot of space. It's about 8 inches wide, and it is about 6 inches, 8 inches long, 6 inches wide. So if you were looking to be able to put this under your counter or in your cabinets, you can easily have this and store this. It won't take a lot of space. So if you're on the market for something that will easily sharpen your knives, then this is something to consider picking up. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.